Oh, and and you have to play it. Okay, 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 okay. And
Yeah, exactly. Okay, okay.
good choice. Now play.
Okay, now.
Why are you copying me, Jaden?
Why you come? Come with me.
Okay, give me the remote. Okay, get your food off. Oh! Say welcome to Melodiva's Playtime now, Jaden. Welcome to Melodiva's Playtime. Today, Jaden is gonna unbox the stunt car, double side roll. Jaden, open it and just like this, and open the red stunt car. And that we have a battery and something inside. It is this one, and yeah, that is the battery and a screwdriver. We're gonna play it. Mommy, read the tutorial.
Yes, that's instructions.
Yeah, or tutorial.
Okay. Tutorial, right?
Yeah.
Tutorial.
Yeah. Or instruction.
Professor Melvin.
Oh yeah. What? Okay. What is this?
That's a battery.
Yeah, it's a battery. The remote control is controlling the stunt car. Do it clockwise, Jaden. I did great on this basketball hoop. If it goes on and off. I flipped the car and made the clockwise a screwdriver.
Yes. Engineer Jaden is about to open it up and fix the battery. Okay, so that is what the instruction looks like.
Batteries for the remote control.
Yeah.
The remote control is pushed up. The right rocker of the remote control is pushed upward, and the right wheel moves and spins to the right. Two rockers of the remote. Yeah. It's the right rocker. And rockers of the remote control are pushed upward and pulled down at the same time. Two wheels spin. Both wheels spin forward and backward at the same time.
Good job.
Clockwise. Woo! How did I open it? Oh.
Okay, came with extra battery.
Okay, can do it.
Yeah. It came with extra battery.
Yo!
Yes.
Okay.
So that's just extra batteries.
Okay.
Okay.
The mouth.
That's the charger.
Yeah, that's the charger. And I put it in.
Good
See?
job. Yes.
I know how to do it.
Yes.
Okay, can I put things in? Oh no, what is that?
That's your sister.
If we're done for a live video, can I check out her?
Yeah, you can check on your sister. You're a good big brother. And it's regular video, it's not a live video. I know you wanted for live video. So maybe said let's make live video. I said let's just do YouTube video.
Guys, I finished the red stunt car.
Yeah, you finished screwing the caps on, the battery cap on.
Yeah, because the red stunt car is allowed to get in. Let's turn it on. Oh, we need to flip it and turn it on. Oh, it's on. Now I can. Oh! Oh my god, Mommy, did you see that?
Yeah.
I just okay, let me put the car on the floor. The red button then goes makes the red stunt car go around and round and round and round and round. And the red remote makes the red stunt car go back and round, back and round, back and round. That's why we show the people.
Yeah.
This is how the remote control works. It goes round and round, back to back. And I show people who go round and round and backward to backward. That's how I show people to do that. Because that we will share. Because I won't be mean.
Yes. That's a good big brother. JJ, you like it?
Like it?
Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
JJ, do you like stunt car? Do you like stunt car?
Do you like
Why are you copying your mother?
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye.